Hey, I just started learning Python, and for the next 50 days, I'll be solving 50 LeetCode problems. I'll get 30 minutes each problem, and at the end of each video, I'll be scoring myself on my personal scoreboard of shape. Hey, welcome to day 12. Today's problem is 345 reverse vowels of a string. It seems like it's similar to our problem that we solved yesterday, 344. Let's start a timer and give our problem a read. Yesterday we just reversed the whole string, but today we are only gonna be reversing the vowels in the string. So in this string we have I, we have E, we have E, A. So we're gonna be reversing them, like I and A will switch places like here, and then E and E will switch places, and it will be similar to that one. So I believe we are just gonna be doing the same thing. We're gonna be using two pointers L and R over here, and then we will check if this is a vowel. Then we will wait here until if it is non-vowel, then we will switch the pointer to the next one, and if this is vowel and this is vowel, we will make them switch places, and then we will ask them to go ahead. And this one not a vowel, so it will go ahead, it will stay here. E and E will switch places, then it will go through C and R until L becomes equal to R, or like it becomes more than R. So it's going to be a simple while loop. We will be using two pointers. Seems quite easy. Let's get into the code. And we can be given the vowels as lower and upper cases. So we will just make a list of A, E, I, O, U and A, E, I, O, U in capital. I believe it's quite simple. Let's try to code this. So all over my code is making sense, but string does not allow assignment. So I can't use this over here. I'm trying to figure out another way that I can switch the characters. I'm I'm kind of thinking that I can make the string array first, and then I switch them up, and then I convert the array again into a string, but that would consume a lot of memory. So I'm trying to figure out a way that I can make this work. Okay, I believe this could work. So initial problem was that string does not allow assignment. So I converted the string to a list first, list of letters, and then I'm using a while loop. If it is not a vowel, we're gonna do +1 over here. For right, same. If it's not a vowel, then we will do -1. And if they both are vowels, then we will be switching the place. I think this should work. Let's try to, and then we are also appending and descending one from each when they are vowels. And at end, I'm returning the joint list as a string. So let's try to test our code. Okay, we have run into this runtime error. I guess it's because it is an empty string and it just have one space in here, and for r we are doing length -1, and length of this would be nothing, and 0 -1 it will become -1, which could arise an issue. I think I can just add a if statement. If the length is 0, then just return the thing as it is. Okay, I believe this should work. If the length is 1, we're just gonna be returning s, and else we will be running our code. Let's try to submit it now. We have 478 passes. Okay. Output is, I have no idea why this happened. I guess we haven't taken it in consideration that there could be spaces in the string, but I still can't figure out why it didn't work. So A should have been replaced with A, and E should have been replaced with A. So the answer should have been Raka E car, but we are getting race a car. Okay, so I googled the issue, what's going on. So what the problem is that we are using if statements over here, and it only works once for once per iteration. So if we want the pointer to go to the vowel, we need to do a we need a while loop nested in the while loop, because only then we can make sure that the L pointer and the R pointer, they both move to the vowel before making the switch. Try this one. So we have a while loop nested in the while loop. It is gonna move the pointer to a vowel. It is gonna move the right pointer to the vowel. Then we are gonna make the switch. It will go on till left pointer is less than right pointer. Then we are gonna be returning the joint string. Let's try to submit our code now. Hopefully it works. We are, yep, it's working. It is a bit slow, but it's working. Let's mark our score today on the scoreboard. It took me quite more than the 30 minutes promised, but at least we solved it. 19 ms. I could say accidental. It was okay. Tomorrow we'll be doing ransom note 383 problem. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.